Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Essay on Defense Day. Pakistan Defense Day is the most remarkable and memorable time in the history of Pakistan. That day we keep in mind all the surrender given by our pupils in protection of our country. Defense Day is widely known in Pakistan as a national day on the day of September 6 each year. This time informs us pupils who got killed in the India-Pakistan War of 1965 and effective protection of Sialkot and Lahore and several other parts of Pakistan. That day Pakistanis perform flag holding, march, army exhibition, awards ceremonies, singing patriotic songs, entertainment and military programs are now being placed all over the country. The primary reason for on that day is to inform the fresh generation regarding people who provided their lives in protection of the country and had to remind them the duties to do something for your country as they did. That day various speeches are provided to inform the kids for the war of 1965 which took place between Pakistan and India. It had been the most hardest time for Pakistanis. However, with the passion and love for country, they provided it the most pleasant day of their life and got martyred for country. That day, military of Pakistan displays their newest missiles, weapons, army aircraft, helicopters, tanks, and armament used by engineers, electrical and mechanical corps, signals, army service corps, and army medical corps live in various locations. That's why I love my army and my country too much.